Hey y'all, Quijuandas. Welcome back to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you're new, please consider subscribing and tap the bell to be notified every time I upload a video. This video will be a week in my hair. I just finished doing this twist out and I'll be showing y'all what I do to maintain it and what it ends up looking like by day 7. So come along with me. It's day 1. So as I said, this is day 1. It's a whole lot later in the day. I'm about to get ready to take a shower and call it a night. But I want to show y'all my nighttime routine real quick. So all I do is take my satin scarf, triangle it, and basically pineapple my hair. So I flip my head over and gently push my curls towards the front of my head. Then I take my satin scarf and place it at the perimeter of my head. I push up and pull through any curls that I need to so that they don't get smushed. Then I loosely take the ends of the scarf and cross them in the front and tie the scarf in the back. And that is pretty much it. I'll see y'all in the morning. Good morning, party people. Rise and shine. I had to do a little stretch for the camera so you know what time of day it was. Anywho, I'm about to take off my scarf and fluff and shape these curls. First, we start with a little shaking, flipping, and hair whipping. Then I'm applying the African Pride 5 essential oils to my hands to reduce frizz before fluffing and separating my hair until the shape I desire is achieved. It is day 3 and the headscarf is putting in overtime. This is one of those days when the curls do not come out to play. To be quite honest, I work remotely, so I have a lot of these days, but as you can see, the curls are still nice and defined, sitting pretty up top, and we'll be ready for action in the morning. On day 4, the hair is a lot bigger and the roots are a lot puffier. The frizz is definitely starting to take over. I still think I'm cute though. Look at me posing. Don't play with me. It is day 5 and we're still holding on, still going strong. My hair is still moisturized and soft to the touch. And although there's a lot of frizz, which I don't mind by the way, my hair still has quite a bit of definition. Around day 5 is when I'll add moisture and slide my hair up into a puff because quite frankly, I'm tired of it being down. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm gonna first lightly mist my hair with water. Not too much, just a little bit. Kind of scrunch that into my tresses. Then I'm gonna take a light leave-in. I'm using the Talia YG leave-in conditioner. I do not like the spray cap. Hold on. Taking a little bit of that and applying it throughout my hair, just a little. Then I will take a light oil. I'm using the African Pride and seal that all in. So this is how it would look if I was going to continue to wear it down, but I'm not. I'm going to take this knee-high stocking and slide my hair up into a puff. And that's it for day 5. It's day 6. My hair is still moisturized. The frizz is still frizzing. Added a little middle part for character. And you know what? That's about it.
Something on my mind, yeah. In your mind, all I wanna say is la 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 la, yeah. La 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 la, yeah. La 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 la. Somebody go down and say la 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 la. Ooh, yeah. La la la.
And we're ending this thing off with a sleek bun. I hope y'all enjoyed this week in my hair. It was very realistic. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with all you people. And until next time, I'll talk to y'all later.